How to find bio settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find bio settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and here you will find test lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just click on your profile here, and after that just click edit, and as you see here you will find bio. Click on it and then just type here any bio you want and click save. It will be saved, of course, and now just that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.